you doing? It's Mr. Do the Math, and today we're going to talk about solving system of equations by substitution. Alright? By substitution. Right? What that means is when you have system of equations, when you got two equations, you want to get a variable by itself and you're going to replace it, right? For whatever that variable equals. Alright, so we're going to use this first example. This is like number 7, right? This says y equals x plus 1 and y equals 3x minus 1, right? What that says is that y is x plus 1. Alright, substitution means that I can put x plus 1 wherever y is, right? And then I can solve, right? So let's do that. So if y equals x plus 1, we're going to have x plus 1 equals 3x minus 1, right? From here, we're going to use our algebra skills to solve, right? So let's move somebody. What do you want to move? The x. You want to move the x?
Why not the y? No, I mean 1.
Let's move the 1. Which one?
-1.
Alright, so we're going to subtract 1 to both sides like that? You want to move this one? Alright, we're going to add 1 to both sides. So we're going to have x plus 2 equals 3x. Then what? You're going to subtract x from both sides.
Subtract the x.
So then you're going to have 2 equals 2x, right? Then you divide x equals 1, right? Now we solve for x. Now we're going to take this x value and we can put it into any one of these equations, right? So if we put it in the first one, it'll be y equals x, which is 1 now, plus 1. Which makes 1 plus 1 is what? 2. As a result, your solution, or the place where these two lines intersect, is going to be at 1, 2. Right? That's solving by substitution, right? That's real simple because it's already set equal to a variable, right? But what if it's not set equal to a variable? Let's see that one. Let's see that example. So let's use this example right. I had one that was. Alright, let's use that one. Alright, this next example, let's see. It says x plus 2y equals 2, and then we got negative 4x plus 3y equals 25. Alright, so everybody see that? Alright, in both of those equations, looking at both of these equations, is there any situation where a variable is alone?
No.
There isn't?
No, yes.
Yeah, the x, right? This one, right? So in this equation, x is by itself. That's x plus 2y equals 2, right? So what we would want to do is we want to set this whole equation equal to x. All right? So we'll move that 2y over. You would subtract 2y, right? So we're going to subtract 2y to both sides. And so now x equals negative 2y plus 2. Okay? That being said, I can take negative 2y plus 2 lyric and I can put it everywhere x is. Right? So, we're going to have negative 4 times negative 2y plus 2 plus 3y equals 25. Does everybody see that so far? Give me a head nod. Let me know we're good so far. We good? Alright. Now, from here we're going to solve by distributive property, right? So we're going to distribute this 4 through. So that's going to be 8y minus 8 plus 3y equals 25. Right? Then from here we're going to combine our like terms. So we got 8y and 3y. 8y plus 3y is what?
11y.
11y minus 8 equals 25. Then from here we're going to add 8 to both sides.
33.
Yeah. Add 8. Add 8. So you'll have 11y equals 33. Divide by 11. Y equals what? 3. Y equals 3. Now you're going to take this 3 and you can put it to any one of these equations. So which one of those equations do you want to put it in?
X plus 2.
X plus 2y? Alright, so x plus 2y equals 2. We all good so far? Everybody got this? So that's x plus 6 equals 2. How you get x by itself, Donna Reese? Donna, what'd I do? Subtract 6, thank you. X is going to equal -4, right? So, the place where these two lines intersect is going to be at -4, 3. That is your solution. Okay? That's your solution. Alright? That's solving by substitution in a nutshell, right? So what you want to do is, again, you want to get, you want to find, the first thing you want to do is you want to find a variable that is alone, that's by itself, that's single, right? Then the next thing you want to do is you want to set it equal to that variable. Alright, once you set it equal to that variable, you're going to substitute into the other equation. You're going to set it equal to the other equation, right? So set it into the other equation. So substitute into the other equation like we did. So we set it, we found the variable that was alone, then we set it equal to the variable. Then from here we substituted that into the other equation, and then finally we solved, right? You solve for the variable, right? And then you just repeat for it, right? You just repeat for it, all right? Just by a show of thumbs, tell me how it felt. I know it was fast, but it was just a review, right? We good?
You substitute the what?
Substitute into the other equation. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. Mr. Do the Math out.
Hey, walk around.